back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Of course, as always, we are going to dive on in. Just note the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. I do want to ask that if you enjoy these job leads that I am sharing, please like these videos and share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life, having that great work-life balance. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the Aurora Flight Sciences company. They have 152 reviews on Glassdoor from current and past employees, and they do come in very highly rated at 4.2 out of 5 stars. They are hiring an accounts payable support specialist. Now, this is remote for the United States only. Now, Aurora Flight Sciences builds and flies advanced aircraft and enabling technologies for those aircrafts. They're looking for somebody to process high volume accounts payable invoices in a timely, accurate, and efficient manner. You're going to code items such as invoices, vouchers, expense reports, check requests with the correct codes conforming to their standard procedures. You're going to attach any corresponding purchase orders to incoming invoices with all that supporting documentation, and you're going to handle those purchase order invoices inclusive of 2 to 3-way matching. So you'll investigate and resolve any problems associated with processing of invoices and purchase orders. Now, sometimes you may have to pick up the phone and make an outbound phone call handling those vendor correspondence. Sometimes that can be done through email. So this is not a call center type job, but it may require you to occasionally make a few outbound phone calls if you're having issues with those invoices and purchase orders. You'll receive, research, and resolve a variety of routine internal and external inquiries concerning account statuses, including communicating up the resolution of any discrepancies and appropriate to the appropriate persons. Now, of course, as always, a college degree is preferred, but is not required. What they do require is somebody who's 1 to 3 years of accounts payable or some kind of general accounting experience, someone who has great communication skills, strong organizational skills, can multitask, is open and willing to learn new things, and somebody who can be detail oriented and meet the deadlines. Of course, you also have to live in the United States. If this sounds like something you're interested in, of course, pay is going to be dependent on location and experience. They have 2 separate pay ranges listed. One is anywhere from $35,000 a year all the way up to $62,000 a year, and the other one ranges from $41,000 to $73,000 a year. So just depending on your experience and circumstances, the pay can be anywhere from $35,000 a year, really all the way up to $73,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. And if you have any suggestions on how I can make these job leads more helpful to you, feel free to leave that down below as well. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.